Hello everyone friends, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Android apps on your memory card. To do this, go to Android settings, tap on your phone, and then click on the phone version. After that, we activate the developer settings. We go to search and type in developer settings. In English, this is developer options. Go in and here we need to find a tab called I'll find it now. Here it is. Force allow apps to write to external storage. So now if we enable this slider, our apps will download to the memory card instead of the device's internal memory. That's all. This was Name. Goodbye everyone.